Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn 100 commonly used English sentences. So, let's start the video. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I'm not so sure about that. I'm not so sure about that. What's wrong? What's wrong? He made her very angry. He made her very angry. I've got a headache and I feel terrible. I've got a headache and I feel terrible. It was nice chatting with you. It was nice chatting with you. You're everything to me. You're everything to me. I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry to hear that. Sounds great. Sounds great. I need a little help. I need a little help. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about this. I'm fed up with it. I'm fed up with it. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. How are things going? How are things going? Do you mind repeating that? Do you mind repeating that? I have a high blood pressure. I have a high blood pressure. I'm not feeling very well. I'm not feeling very well. That's so disappointing. That's so disappointing. Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? It's very nice of you. It's very nice of you. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. What you've done means a lot to me. What you've done means a lot to me. How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? Give me a little more time. Give me a little more time. Where did you get it? Where did you get it? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? What's your email address? What's your email address? You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. See you next time. See you next time. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Every child likes an ice cream. Every child likes an ice cream. We go to a gallery every Sunday. We go to a gallery every Sunday. She lives in London. She lives in London. Villagers do not like to talk much. Villagers do not like to talk much. He loves to play basketball. He loves to play basketball. My son plays chess well. My son plays chess well. Who is your role model? Who is your role model? It took 5 minutes to get to the station. It took 5 minutes to get to the station. Have you finished reading the novel? Have you finished reading the novel? It's a long way from here to school. It's a long way from here to school. That's what we want to know. That's what we want to know. I usually take a bath before going to bed. I usually take a bath before going to bed. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. These things aren't mine. These things aren't mine. How long will it take? How long will it take? It happened a long time ago. It happened a long time ago. I've made my decision. I've made my decision. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. I don't care what he does. I don't care what he does. I'll come if necessary. I'll come if necessary. You've come too early. You've come too early. I don't like any of them. I don't like any of them. I'll see you next month. I'll see you next month. The restaurant doesn't open until 7:45. The restaurant doesn't open until 7:45. I'll probably stay home and watch television. I'll probably stay home and watch television. She intends to make teaching her profession. She intends to make teaching her profession. Could you come back home early this evening? Could you come back home early this evening? Do you have any plan for your career? Do you have any plan for your career? Excuse me, can you tell me the correct time? Excuse me, can you tell me the correct time? I saw him playing football on the playground. I saw him playing football on the playground. Will you make me a cup of coffee? Will you make me a cup of coffee? I have received a letter from my cousin. I have received a letter from my cousin. It's very kind of you to help me. It's very kind of you to help me. Excuse me, could you tell me the time? Excuse me, could you tell me the time? You should take the advice of your teacher. You should take the advice of your teacher. What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? Keep the door fully open. Keep the door fully open. Put the clothes on hangers. Put the clothes on hangers. Peel off the banana. Peel off the banana. Why are you texting me? Why are you texting me? I love to watch this serial. I love to watch this serial. This fan is making a loud noise while running. This fan is making a loud noise while running. Get your mobile repaired. Get your mobile repaired. It's a shivering cold today. It's a shivering cold today. I have good news for you. I have good news for you. My wedding is in December. My wedding is in December. I am really happy to have you in my life. I am really happy to have you in my life. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. He is cooking dinner. He is cooking dinner. The birds are singing in the trees. The birds are singing in the trees. He is wearing jeans and a t-shirt. He is wearing jeans and a t-shirt. I am looking forward to the weekend. I am looking forward to the weekend. He is tall and strong. He is tall and strong. The phone is ringing, I should answer it. The phone is ringing, I should answer it. He is visiting his grandparents. He is visiting his grandparents. She is going to the movies with her friends. She is going to the movies with her friends. Can you lend me your pen for a minute? Can you lend me your pen for a minute? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? She is studying for her nursing exams. She is studying for her nursing exams. The tree in the front yard is tall and beautiful. The tree in the front yard is tall and beautiful. The lake is calm and peaceful. The lake is calm and peaceful. We are going on a hiking trip next weekend. We are going on a hiking trip next weekend. We are planning to visit New York City next year. We are planning to visit New York City next year. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Can you turn off the lights when you go to bed? Can you turn off the lights when you go to bed? She is watching TV. She is watching TV. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. He is proud of his children. He is proud of his children. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you and always appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you.